saying thou dost protest too much. So our last contractor that we just fired, boy, we saw real quick once we started asking the right questions from a position of expertise, how quickly the contractor became combative and was lecturing us on how we should be doing our job.
Right.
And I think it's just human nature, right? If you're the guilty party and you start throwing stones at somebody else.
Right. It's amazing. I mean, to me, if the relationship between an owner and a contractor has really devolved to the point where they aren't speaking to each other well, and the owner has the foresight and the responsibility to hire somebody to step in as their representative, a professional, someone who is a licensed contractor, a Florida certified master builder who could step in and be the person to be the representative of the owner and talk to their contractor, professional to professional, and try to get the project smoothed over so things can move forward. It helps translate whatever the miscommunication is between the contractor and the owner. If the contractor rejects that, and if the contractor doesn't see the value in that towards getting the project finished correctly, then there's a real problem there with that contractor. Exactly what you're saying, 100%.
Like anything, if you don't talk it out,
yeah,
it's going to get acted out.
Right, absolutely.